life mazi.
Much better off after your visit.
Your Excellency, sir, it's now my...
And especially so to the Department of Health.
Mundu agituika ni anyitwo ni murimu arathie thibitari na niguo ndakanyitithie madagitari murimu ucio nikio tukumarehagira nguo na ivazi ciothe iria makubatara ni undu wa kurua na kwirigiriria na niguo madagitari maitu nurses yaitu laboratory technicians yaitu na clinical officers makorwo ho tumarangirite ni undu o undu wa umwe witu anginyitwo ni murimu ndagathie thibitari itari na mundu murigitani.
I think we need to do much more to ensure that the integrity of the results that we give, because they have a huge impact, both psychological, financial, and even social, becomes very, very accurate and do not lead to further anxiety more than what we have. So we expect that through the ministry and through your team also, you can convey our concerns about those results not being very consistent with what exactly is happening, and the need for us also to have a testing center here to reduce the time that it takes.